Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show how to fix Facebook Professional Mode option not showing or missing problem. Let's get started. Method 1. Clear cache and data. First, go to your phone settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. Search for Facebook, then tap on Storage. Now tap on Clear Data, and after that, tap on Clear Cache. Method 2. Update the Facebook app. Open the Google Play Store and search for Facebook. If you see an update option, tap on it to update the app to the latest version. Method 3. Report the problem to Facebook. Go back to the Facebook app and tap on the menu icon at the top right. Scroll down and tap Help and Support. Then tap Report a Problem. Tap Report a Problem again, and then tap Include in Report. Scroll down and tap on Profile. Then describe the issue in detail. Submit the report and wait a few hours. Facebook may fix the issue on their end. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.